Welcome guys to our channel. Now as you read the title of this video, now you should be thinking that this is not a gadget unboxing video. But personally I think that this product should be shown to you. Not only just for there is a lot of people out there who really misunderstood or in reality they didn't know how to use it or how to purchase this product from online. Just assume this product is in market, so you can go over there and you can see it, feel it, and you can touch it also. But here is a different scene. In this video I will be sharing unboxing, not only just unboxing but covering all about. So we are going to cover is how to purchase this type of product, major precautions while purchasing, what come inside and how to assemble this gadget for you. Excited? So what are you waiting for? If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right below and click on the bell icon. Thank you. This is a very heavy product. So let's start it from here. See, this is the product which I am talking about. One by one I will show you. So guys, this is the pull-up bar and also the push-up bar also. I will be showing how to use it and I will show you how to assemble this. So I will be showing that what are the parts are. The first part is this. Second, it will come a stand with it. You can see. Third, you will get the important hinges, very strong cast iron, 4 types of hinges. See, You get lots of nut bolts, which is very important. And now fifth, the final, is this. These two handles were given, which you can dips and you can do a hanging exercise on it. I will be showing to you how to assemble this. Here it is. So now the first I will be showing to how to assemble it and what is the final output it and how and the product, how the product strong is. So I will be covering in this topic. So let's go. So first I am going to remove all these plastics. You can see it. Now I am going to show how much that this is 40 mm. It's a little bit tough for because it is heavy cast iron. See, (40 by 40). You can see it. So this is 38 by 38. You can see it.
Thickness.
The thickness. Around 2 mm thick. So this is a very rubber grip. The handle is covered with the rubber grip. Showing it here. See, this is a very handle rubber grip. Okay. Now this pull-up bar. So guys, see this is again a cast iron and then a powder coated with it, and you can see very firm grip. You can see here the two brackets here and here. Now again just remove this rubber grip. So you can see here that resin cushion. This is the two handles given. Okay. Extra handle, assuming so this one is the handle. See, all powder coated and cast iron. So guys, we are starting to get assembled. So is the first one. So here is the bracket we are going to insert inside in it. So the first one is completed. Second one is this cushion. It will, sorry guys, this cushion will be on this side, like this one. And now this will be a stand, should get supported like this one. Okay. So here are the special screws, nut bolts, and this one is a special one to wall mounted on it. So you can have to drill your wall with a drill machine, and then you have to put the gauge and you have to just tighten the hole on it. You have to put in these holes. So guys, this is a fastener. So what this and how to use it? So first of all you have to drill it and then put this, and then you have to hammer this gauge, and you have to get hammered until this part of the gauge will get flare. See, you can see it here. It's a small spaces between in there. So while you hammered it, it will get flare, and once it get flare, you have to put this inside this, and you have to just give it turn once the screws get fixed like this. I am showing you that demo. Okay. For this special kind of nut bolt, you need the special kind of useful tool. See, you can see it here. it get fixed. I also put this product link in my description box, especially this one. This is a very useful and helpful to you while setting up this product. Okay, so let's see and how to set up this product. Okay, let's go. So guys, let's get to work. Let me drink my water first. So guys, after a couple of hours, I have done this with the help of my father, and this is your final product. This will, yeah, a lot of heavy. So I will show you. So this, it will be a pull-up bar. This one, let me. It will be a pull-up bar, so you can do your pull-ups. Second, this is your I will say the parallel dips. Sorry, this one is your parallel dips. So you have to do, and you do parallel lifts, and then this one, as you know, for the leg raises, hanging leg raises. Now I will just get on with it. So, and this is your next pull-up. So you have what do you say that power pull-ups. So you can do like this and do pull-ups. Okay. So every time I have to. Okay. So this is your final product. Now let me put this. Now here I will give you a tip. If you don't want to use a wall mount, for example, like I said previously, if you want to use the wall mountain and you have to simple drill, and then you have to put it inside this flare, and then you have to just hammer it, and then put this screw in the wall, and rest of the screw will do. But what if you don't want a wall mount thing for your pull-ups? So this hinge got 4 hinges. So what I have done, I have removed the fastener, and then I have just put a screw in it through and through. Just put a nut bolt in it with the help of washer. You can see it. So what will happen that one of my bar, one is the iron bar, which is very strong enough to hold my weight. So I have done simply like this. So one side it will be hold, and another will hold my this equipment. So I don't have to worry about the wall mount thing. So I just put up on this bar, and then put this pull-up bar into this hinge. So it is very easy for me. I can remove anytime. I can do push-ups, or even do some another exercise on it. I will show you an image. So this is a very wonderful trick that I have got. So let's see this product and how the strong product is. Let's go. So guys, I just got the place, and I will show you that where I hanged up the hinges. So guys, here I just got the hinges. See here, it is strong and saying. So I will put my pull-up bar inside this. Now how to purchase this particular type of product. Okay, so in this image, first we are going to see is the title. Okay, have a complete focus on title. Sometimes title is bit confusing. If the basic title is confusing, do not buy the product, because the real seller on the Amazon or any other platform, title will kept simple as possible. Okay, see the left side of your screen, you will see the image panel. I also recommend you that there should be a lot of images. Yes, my friends, if there is a few images, do not buy it. Now see the rating, it should be above 3.5 stars. It tells you that this product is a hot cake selling. Also, you can decide your budget. Now moving on. Product description. Product description should be very clear and understandable, and it should be cover all your points of the product. If not, then do not buy it. Okay, so let's move on. Now, technical details. In this section, brand name should be there as well as in the title. Look for the material type. It should be steel or it should be steel, okay? Or it is telling the in it is or it is sometimes different material is used. Same manufacturer and see the style. Now in the customer review, just like in just like I said before, 3-point star rating. Now you should be really looking at the item weight. You can see 2 kgs 790 grams. Now what that really means that is not only hold up your weight and exercise it, but it is a very strong and lift up your maximum weight up to 80 to 86 kilos. Man or woman. Please do not do gymnastic type of exercise, otherwise you will get injured. It is only for exercise purpose only. So let's move on. Now here is the same topic rating should be above 3.5 star at last. But really important is customer question and answers. You will get the idea of the product whether you should buy this product or not. I am using this because my gym are closed. This is a savior of my workout routine. So guys, hope you enjoy the video and share it with your friends and family, and also tell me in the comment section. And wait, where you guys are going? Wait, have you subscribed our channel? No? So hit the subscribe button right below, it takes a matter of second, and click on the bell icon so you get the notification about my new videos. And please check our other videos also. You can also connect me on my Instagram, Lethal Gadgets, Facebook, Unboxing with Pranav, and my Twitter handle also. Please connect me with on Blogger. My URL is pranav.ideasunlimited.net. Second URL is unboxing.ideasunlimited.net. Links are in the description below. Until then, I will meet you on some simple, beautiful, and interesting videos at my tech gadget unboxing. Feel free to support me. Peace.